encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, southwestern Zandt County in north-central Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kent, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Canton, Maybank, and Kemp. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.